The mischievous nature of raccoons. Meet the raccoon, nature's masked bandit. These creatures are known for their dexterity and intelligence. They are masters at problem solving, often using their nimble hands. Raccoons are primarily nocturnal, coming out to explore and hunt under the cover of darkness. They are omnivores, consuming a diet that includes fruits, nuts, insects, and small rodents. Born climbers, raccoons easily scale trees and buildings. This ability often leads them into suburban areas, rummaging through trash cans in search of food. Despite their mischievous nature, raccoons play a vital role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. Yet, remember to respect their wild nature and keep a safe distance.